Same rain, same sunrise glow. I see you there, but you don't even know. Same dream, same vibe, same deja vu. Every time I close my eyes, I run into you. Same road, same sunrise glow. Oh, why you always where I go? Same dream, same night, same view. Tell me why I keep finding you. Morning comes, same gray sky, slow ride, world passing by. Raindrops falling on the glass like they know I never last. And you stand in that soft light, eyes on me but we don't fight. No words, just that look again, like we more than strangers then. Two nights, same time. Why you stuck in my mind? Same face, same line. Tell me what we don't find. Oh, same road, same sunrise glow. I see you there, but you don't even know. Same dream, same life, same deja vu. Every time I close my eyes, I run into you. Almost said hello this time. Felt your energy in mine. One word could've changed it all, but I let the moment fall. Doors like open, you fade away. Lost again in the day. Left with things I never say. Echoes dancing in my brain. Oh, maybe it's the city lights, maybe it's the lonely nights. Maybe I just don't let go of a feeling I don't know.